Okay, for this maze, you're just going to do these calculations solving for either the hydrogen concentration or the hydroxide. One thing I want to point out to you is in our notes, we use the concentration of hydrogen. On this maze, they're using H3O+. These two things are exactly the same. Okay. And then last, you just need to remember when you're comparing, if the concentration of hydroxide is greater than the concentration of hydrogen, it'll be a base. And if the concentration of hydrogen is greater than hydroxide, it will be an acid.